Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best drones is probably one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving pieces of technology available today, offering a unique perspective for photography, videography, and even recreational flying. Whether you're a budding filmmaker looking to capture breathtaking aerial shots, a hobbyist eager to explore the skies, or simply curious about what these incredible machines can do, choosing the right drone can be a game changer for your content creation. With so many options on the market, from beginner-friendly models to professional-grade equipment, it's essential to understand the key features that will best suit your needs and budget. Number 5. Holy Stone HS110D FPV RC Drone. Capture stunning, distortion-free images and videos with the 120-degree wide-angle lens. Easily share your creations on social media directly from the app. Focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about control. It hovers steadily at a locked altitude, making it ideal for beginners. Navigate with ease, even when out of sight. The orientation aligns with your controls, simplifying the flying experience. Unlock a world of possibilities with voice commands, gesture controls, and trajectory flight through the dedicated app. Use simple hand gestures to capture photos and videos. Enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time with the included 2 modular batteries. Swapping and charging them is simple and safe. Add an extra layer of fun to your flights with the thrilling 3D flip maneuver. Impress your friends with acrobatic aerial displays. What we like. If you're just starting out with drones, this is a fantastic option. It offers intuitive controls like voice and gesture commands, making it incredibly easy to learn. The 1080p camera ensures you get decent footage for your first aerial adventures. If you want a fun, easy-to-fly drone that won't break the bank, this is the one to consider. What people say. The drone has a 4K camera that captures stunning aerial footage with great detail and vibrant colors. Its advanced obstacle avoidance system ensures safe flights, even in complex environments. The battery life is impressive, offering up to 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge, allowing for extended aerial photography sessions. Number 4. Holy Stone HS724K Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial views with our 4K UHD camera. Its advanced stabilization ensures crystal clear, vibration-free photos and videos, letting you see the world from a new perspective. Never lose track of your drone. It intelligently returns home on low battery or lost signal, and can even follow you or fly custom paths, freeing you to focus on your creative vision. Enjoy an impressive 52 minutes of total flight time with 2 included intelligent batteries. Its efficient brushless motors provide a quiet and smooth flight experience. Perfect for beginners, this drone offers stable hovering thanks to its multi-sensors and optical flow positioning. Features like one-key start and altitude hold make it incredibly simple to control. Explore further with a control range of up to 3,000 feet. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it your perfect travel companion for any adventure. This drone offers a suite of smart features, including auto-return, follow me, and customizable flight paths. It's designed for both novice pilots and experienced creators. What we like. For those who prioritize professional quality aerial photography and extended flight sessions, this drone is a top contender. Its 4K UHD camera with image stabilization captures stunning, vibration-free footage. With an impressive 52 minutes of total flight time and reliable GPS return-to-home functionality, you can explore and create without interruption. If you're serious about capturing breathtaking landscapes or cinematic shots and need a drone that offers both quality and endurance, this is your best bet. What people say. The drone has an excellent camera with 4K resolution, capturing stunning aerial footage. Its flight stability is remarkable, even in windy conditions, making it easy to control. The battery life is impressive, offering up to 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Number 3. Holy Stone HS720E Drone. This drone meets FAA requirements for compliant flight. You can easily add the necessary remote ID module for full compliance. Contact our support team if you have any questions. Capture breathtaking 4K video with incredible clarity thanks to its advanced camera and electronic image stabilization. The integrated Sony sensor ensures superior image quality, setting it apart from the competition. Enjoy a stable and reliable flight experience with its advanced altitude control and GPS positioning. It also features an auto return to home function, ensuring it always finds its way back to you. With 2 intelligent batteries, you get a total of 46 minutes of flight time, allowing for longer adventures. It also comes with a convenient carrying bag for easy transport and storage. Master aerial photography with user-friendly modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. It effortlessly navigates, letting you focus on capturing amazing shots. Experience powerful, stable, and remarkably quiet flights thanks to its brushless motors. This design not only enhances the flying experience but also extends motor life with minimal maintenance. What we like. If image quality and a smooth, quiet flight experience are your top priorities, look no further. This drone features a 4K EIS camera with a high-quality Sony sensor for incredibly clear and stable video. The brushless motors ensure a virtually noiseless flight, allowing you to capture stunning footage without disturbing your surroundings. If you're a content creator who values pristine visuals and a discreet flying experience, this drone is an excellent choice. What people say. The drone has an excellent camera with 4K resolution, capturing stunning aerial footage. Its stable flight performance, even in moderate winds, makes it easy to control and operate. The long battery life allows for extended flight times, providing ample opportunity for photography and videography. Number 2. Holy Stone HS-175D GPS Drone. Capture crisp photos and clear 4K video for all your adventures. The wide-angle lens helps you fit more scenery into every frame. Easily tilt the camera to get the perfect angle you want. This allows for better framing whether you're filming landscapes or follow shots. Experience a smoother, more stable live view with 5 GHz FPV transmission. This makes it easier to frame your shots and fly with confidence. Enjoy peace of mind with GPS-assisted flight. It automatically returns home if the signal is lost, it goes out of range, or the battery is low. With 2 batteries included, you get up to 46 minutes of flight time. This allows you to explore and capture more without frequent stops to recharge. It's easy for beginners to start flying thanks to features like altitude hold and one-key takeoff landing. These controls help keep it stable for cleaner footage. Its foldable design and carrying case make it perfect for travel. Explore fun smart flight modes like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight. What we like. This drone is perfect for travelers and hobbyists who need a powerful yet portable aerial companion. It boasts a 4K camera for sharp, detailed shots and an impressive 46 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. Crucially, it's under 249G, meaning no registration is typically required, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go filming. If you're looking for a feature-rich, lightweight drone that delivers great video quality and long flight times for your adventures, this is an outstanding option. What people say. The drone has an excellent camera quality, capturing crisp and vibrant aerial shots. Its flight stability is remarkable, even in moderate winds, making it easy to control. The battery life is impressive, offering extended flight times for longer aerial photography sessions. Number 1. Holy Stone HS-440 Foldable FPV Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial photography with its 1080p HD camera. Adjust the angle up to 90 degrees and capture everything with the 112-degree wide-angle lens. It's perfect for any occasion, from scenic landscapes to lively gatherings. Enjoy longer adventures with up to 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge. The modular battery ensures you can capture and explore more of your surroundings without interruption. This drone is designed for ultimate freedom with its foldable frame and advanced features. It's compact and comes with a carrying case, making it easy to take your creativity anywhere. Creating stunning content is simple with its optimized user experience. Features like auto takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation make flying more streamlined and fun than ever. It's a must-have for beginners, packed with intelligent functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Enjoy extended practice sessions with its long flight time. Control your flight with simple voice commands or gestures for a truly hands-free experience. This makes piloting intuitive and accessible for everyone. What we like. For beginners and kids looking for an accessible and fun way to get into drone flying, this model is ideal. It features a 1080p HD camera for good quality aerial shots and a user-friendly design with features like auto hover and one-key takeoff. Its foldable nature and included carrying case make it super portable. If you want a drone that's easy to operate, great for learning, and convenient to take anywhere, this is a solid choice. What people say. The drone has a 4K camera that captures stunning aerial footage with incredible detail and vibrant colors. Its advanced GPS system ensures stable flight and accurate positioning, making it easy to control even for beginners. The foldable design and included carrying case make it highly portable and convenient for travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.